A very good evening to one and all. A hearty welcome to the introductory class or introductory session on Kriti, organized by Ayurveda Map, supported by Relax Kerala. Ayurveda Map is a venture started by a group of doctors around 2016, and it was officially inaugurated in 2017 by the most respected Dr. PM Varya sir. And it initially started with in-hand practical sessions in order to train doctors on various practical aspects during clinical practice. And we started our sessions with Marmayu, an intense training on application of Marma, followed by Banda, which is practice on Banda techniques, followed by Varnium, a series of Varnium sessions where it was orienting mainly to practical sessions on Ayurvedic cosmetic therapies, followed by Medi Sujok, an intense awareness program on Sujok therapy exclusively for medical professionals. It was further followed again by Varnium because of its overwhelming responses on that particular session. So we had another session on Varnium again, and that was again followed by Agneya, a workshop on Agni Karma. And the last of these practical sessions was Vistara, that was a class on business development for physicians, that is for medical professionals. And unfortunately, we had to put a halt to these in-hand practical sessions due to the outbreak of the pandemic, COVID-19, in around February 2020. But from the warm and very overwhelming responses from all our attendees and participants, we actually got the courage to start or to get into the online platform with a series of webinars. And even our webinars was started with Varnium. That was an online practical session on Ayurvedic cosmetic therapies. And even that session got all over India, a wide response from participants from all over India. And that again gave us the confidence to move on with these webinar series. And we had Rajika, the online certificate course on Ayurvedic dermatology, followed by Gala, again a certificate course on management of thyroid diseases, followed by Prayana, a reorientation program to Ayurvedic students and young doctors to build their career in Ayurveda by the respected Dr. Manush PC sir, which was followed by Kriti, an online session on Ayurvedic product making, followed by Dhyana, a certificate course on therapeutic yoga, followed by Naina, again a certificate course on common eye diseases management and Kriya Kramas, followed by Vibha, again a session on cosmetic preparation. And in May 2021, we started another innovative venture, Swadhyaya, which is an aid to self-study, which aims at to support students academically during the pandemics with recorded classes, detailed notes as per the UG and PG's academic syllabus, with one-to-one doubt clearance, question paper and research article discussions. And we are moving on with Swadhyaya even now as per the academic syllabus. The ongoing session of Ayurveda Map is Pushya, a certificate course on Ayurveda gynecology. And we have an upcoming session, Medus, a session, again, a certificate course on Ayurvedic management of obesity and diabetes in the month of August. And here we are in the introductory class of Kriti, which is again a certificate course on Ayurvedic cosmetics, classical medicine, step-by-step preparation, and its clinical utilities. With Kriti, we will be traversing the various aspects of Ayurvedic formulations, blending the essence of classical and cosmetological formulations and its various clinical applications. We have Kriti starting from July 25th officially to August 20th. And we have the session in 4 groups or 4 subdivisions with section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4 covering almost all the topics as mentioned in the brochure. And with us, we have the most eminent faculties in the current pharmaceutical field who are very proficient in cosmetic preparations making, as well as in the Rasa, as well as Bhaishya Kalpana field. They are all very eminent and proficient, and they will be there guiding you with the basic motto or basic aim as to make you self-sustainable in clinical practice, not only with clinical wisdom, but also make you self-sufficient to prepare your own medicines, your own formulations as per the need of the patient, proclaiming the basic aim of Ayurveda, that is personalized medicine, that give medicine as per dosha, dusha, prakriti, vaya, bala, sattvam, satmam, etc. So with this concept, we have scheduled the sessions of Kriti in 4 basic sections with core strengths, that the medium of the classes would be in English, and also the preparations. The classes would be oriented like how to prepare the formulations with minimum or maybe no chemicals. It will also guide you on substitution and addition techniques, manufacturing of preparations using different techniques, drug combinations to get the desired results, combining the cosmetics and modern preparations with Ayurveda, labeling techniques for marketing, pre-recorded videos for demonstrations, live sessions for discussions in Zoom platform. All recorded videos will have an access for 6 months. Notes will be provided on the concerned topic. Doubt clearance sessions would be there. Course certificate will be provided. And also post-course support to the participants from the part of faculties would be rendered. And pre-recorded videos would be daily updated at 5 p.m. and you can watch at the comfort of your home. Discussions and lectures will be combined in 6 classes at around 8 p.m. And the session 1 would be covered by Dr. Hasna with various preparations like kajal, soap, lip balms, different face packs, hair packs, hair masks, dandruff packs, as well as moisturizing butters with Haridra oil, Varnium oil, plain balm, and virgin coconut oil. The second session would be more oriented to cosmetical preparation, that is Ayurvedic cosmetical preparations, is how to make Ayurvedic creams, lotions, gels, scrub, and toners. Session 3 would be guided by or demonstrated by Dr. Shamita KV and Dr. Ajay Ghosh on different herbal preparations, rasa preparations, and modern preparations, followed by a lecture session by Dr. Anand S on clinical utility of prepared medicines. And the session 4 would be guided with demonstrations by Dr. Shabil and Dr. Gokul Raj on the practical ways to prepare classical kashaya, ghrita, taila, as well as lehyas, followed by a lecture session on the clinical utility of different prepared medicines by Professor Dr. K. Shashidharan sir and also by Dr. Srini TV sir. And the session, how to set up your manufacturing unit in a small area, by Dr. Gokul Raj would be open to all the Kriti participants, all those who have registered in the Kriti session. So with this, we would like to help you to set up your own manufacturing unit or your own small medicine preparation unit along with your clinics, so that you can do your clinical practice with much more clinical effectiveness, as well as in a very, very cost effective manner. Hope you would get very high knowledge as well as very broad wisdom on this topic via this session. We'll go on to the introductory sessions from different faculties. They'll be joining us in this session. And first, we'll have Dr. Gokul with us to give an introduction to the session 4 and also to the various concepts that he would like to share with the participants of Kriti session. I invite Dr. Gokul sir for giving the introductory session on session 4. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. And this is Dr. Gokul. I'm from Kerala, in Palakkad area. And now I am working in Saravaram Ayurveda Hospital as a managing director. It's my own hospital. And also I am working in Kairali Ayurveda group as a production manager as well as R&D head. So first of all, I have to thank you, Kriti team, to introduce me through this and giving this good opportunity to explore this section. And I think and first I have to thank all my gurus and the God Dhanvantri and the help those who are helped me to attain this position. And I think you are all very much interested in how to make products in our area or in our limited area of our pharmacy or in our hospitals or wherever you are working. Okay, first we have to know what are the benefits of making medicines. Okay, is it audible me?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay, and it's a normal discussion only, and don't think it is a like a lecturer or I am teaching you all of them. Actually, I am sharing my knowledge to all of you here, and you can also share your own ideas here. And last 12 years I am practicing. From the beginning also I am worried about purchasing medicine, and the most of our incomes goes to the companies which they are giving medicine to us. So and that point also very much confused at that time. So I started in the beginning of my career manufacturing medicines. I started from kashaya. It is very simple, and this is not a rocket science. You have to know that, and everybody will think like that. We need a good, we need a plenty of place, and we have to invest more money into this. It's not like that. In a certain amount of economical and if you are having at least 20,000 or below 20,000, you can definitely you can start your own manufacturing area nearby your home or in your local area only. And here, what are the benefits? I am briefly describing you the quality of medicines. We can it is sure there will be a quality. And the next point we can point at like that, easily consumable. The most of the medicines which are we are available in the market, it is more time processed and like that. So it should not be hridya. That is easily consumable. We can make it as easily consumable like that. Or if you are preparing Guguladikta Kashaya in your own, it is entirely or about 50 or 60% different from what you are buying from the market. And if you are making your own medicine, it will create a good patient trust, and that can be prescribed confidently. And not only the medicines you can purchase, you can customize your own yoga, so that will be very easy. And dispense to the patients also we can make easily. Usually the thailas and kashayas, it will available 200 ml like that. And if you want to mix the two kashaya, the patient has to purchase 400 ml. If you are preparing your own, you can mix two kashaya in a 200 ml bottle. That will be a good one. And most of the one thing I will always say, if you are preparing your own medicine and you are prescribing that medicine, if the roga is not subsided because of not the improper or not due to the good quality of medicine, it is due to misdiagnosis or the way you are applying the yoga. So this point has to be always, it will be strike. Okay. And in my pharmacy and in my hospital, mostly I am preparing 70% of medicines. It's my own. And the 30% we can't manufacture because we have a limited area and a small here we don't have the tablet punching machine like that, so we can avoid that type of medicines. The mostly if you are using like a Dhanvantaram Kashaya and Dhanvantaram Taila, Sahajaraya Taila, and all are you can manufacture in your area, and you will the most moving medicines you can manufacture its own in your premises. So and like Shirabala and some tablets you can purchase outside, because that's are not our, we can't manufacture in the limited perfect premises. So the the remaining 30% of medicines we have to purchase, and most of the 70% of medicine prepare your own, and that gives the good income also, and more of that the quality. And here the topics I will discuss with you: the Kashaya preparations and Grida, Thaila and Lehya. And one more thing, the medicines you are assume that if the Guguladikta Kashaya is 100 rupees, and definitely you can make with 40 rupees. So you practice with your own medicines, that will be very, very benefit for you. And by making manufacturing our medicines, it will create the patient trust. Already I told you. So day by day, definitely it will increase the practice and the number of patients, everything. And one more thing I have to show you, and this is my small pharmacy. And here you can see the non-labeled things. That is the company. These are the some churnas, kashayas, thaila. You can see in and right side also. The which are I am labeling in a sticker. These are the kashayas and the thailas. It's manufactured me only. So like this, you can also do like this. So it will be and it will be a good thing. And this is my hospital which I am on. And I discussed with you like that the medicines can be prepared in 40% of the actual cost. And I will explain you how to make other things in the coming sessions. And it should be continued.
So in session 4 itself, in part with Dr. Gopal sir, we have Dr. Shabil Ibrahim sir also demonstrating the classical preparations. And Dr. Shabil Ibrahim is the proprietor and chief physician, Puliambata Vaidhyashala, Wayanad. He's also the executive committee member of AMAI and also in charge of AMI Yuvata. We welcome you, sir, for this introductory session. We can have a few words regarding the concept of Kriti.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Jasul and Team Kriti for inviting me for this session. I'm very happy to be part of this team. And as you know, I'm sure many of you would be knowing Dr. Hasna. She had been taking classes in many sessions of IRMAP previously also. And she's there in Kriti also. So she's not here with me today. She's at her home. So we'll be sharing a video by Dr. Hasna also. So, as Dr. Gogol said, I can guarantee you once you start preparing medicines of if you are running clinic of your own, I would suggest 100% that you should prepare something of your own because I have been running my clinic since 10 years and I started on my own right from zero. And when I began, in the beginning I used to buy medicines from various companies, and uh, on an average they give you a discount of 20%. But as you know, to give the salary for your staff and for the rent and all the establishment cost, you need to get more than like 25,000 or 30,000 per month, and you won't have anything in your hand by the end of the month. So that is when I started, okay, when how to maintain this running cost of my clinic. I started like preparing small quantities of my fast moving kashayas. Like I started with Amritottaram Kashayam, Chiruladi Kashayam, Rasan Sattam Kashayam. So in the beginning, I was also very doubtful whether how it would turn out. Like I don't have enough number of patients, so would it turn bad, or like will the patients accept my medicines? Like most of them will be. I thought that they will be more comfortable with the branded medicines. Like there are so many reputed companies, as you all know. Like so many in the north, it's a many established companies are there. So I was doubtful whether patients would be accepting my medicines. But to my surprise, when right now what happens is patients are preferring my own medicines. Like when they come, I say that this is they will ask which company is this. I say that I prepare it by own. Oh, okay, then you can give it to me. So I was very happy, and moreover, as Google doctor said, I can guarantee you, even if you prepare in the most perfect way, you'll get a minimum of 50 percentage of margin. Like when you're running our own clinic, I would say that your financial management is the basic part of any successful entrepreneurship. So you have to be very careful. If you're selling a like if you're selling a decoction for 100 rupees of a company, you have to keep 80 rupees for the next purchase, because that is how you have to keep the stock. But in this case, I can guarantee that if you keep 50 rupees, you can maintain this running cost. And the second part, which was difficult for me, was the identification of drugs, like whether all these drugs would be available. Uh, like, can we get all these raw drugs? And when I found that all these dealers, I contacted many of the dealers from Calicut and from Malappuram and all. Right now I get all this raw drugs, and even from local purchase also. Many of the local farmers come to me and they ask me whether, sir, do you need bala, or sir, do you need haridra, or do you need neem leaves? So, and I also started preparing cultivating some small Aushadha sasyas like guduji and chitraga. All this I prepare myself also. So I would suggest, if you are running an on clinic, 100% you should start preparing. And the first one, of course, it would the easiest one will be decoctions like kwadas and churnas also. Churnas also, if you have any like there will be any town, there will be any mills. Like in all these towns, we have powdering mills are there, so you can have a tie up with them. And I prepare more than 40 decoctions and more than 40 churnas. And each time, as Gogol sir said, we can customize. Like if you have your own ideas, even for a set of patients, if you want to add some more medicines, according to our yukti, you can prepare medicines, and you can ensure that the quality is of utmost quality, and you can you can get the enough profit. And I'm sure the as he said, as Dr. Gogol said, patient also is willing to take up that. That is, I was doubtful about that. In the beginning, I was doubtful whether patient would accept, but it's all very acceptable. I have my clinic in a very rural area in Wayanad. It's a rural district. Even then, all these patients, and today I have turnover of more than 5 lakhs in per month. That is almost exclusively because of my own preparation. And I have 9 staff and all. So all the staff and I can manage only because I am preparing. So I suggest all of you to, and cosmetics also. That also my wife is preparing many of the cosmetic products. And as I guess you all know that we Ayurvedic doctors have this special right to give medicine for our own patients. I'm sure that modern doctors don't have that right. We Ayurveda doctors and Unani doctors, they have this right to uh, give the medicines. Like we can prepare the medicines for our own patients, and that sentence is there in this our pharma drug and cosmetic. So we have this right, but we don't have this right to sell it to others without any license. But for our own patients, we can prepare the medicines and we can sell. So all those things will be Dr. Gogul and I will be sharing. So this is what I would like to share with you right now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So from the next session, that is session 3, I think Dr. Shamita is there. Dr. Shamita, please, you can unmute and come see the introduction regarding session 3.
Hello. Hi, Dr. Gauri. Hello.
Hello, yeah, it's
Am I
audible,
audible?
doctor.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Very warm good evening to one and all. Let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Shamita KV, and I'm basically from Kerala, from Kannur district. And I completed my MD in Rasashastra and Vaishya Kalpana from Government Agricultural College, Trivandrum. And after that, currently I'm working as a CMO and research head of one of the famous company that's in US, that's the Shantigram Wellness Ayurveda. This is one of the first FDA certified Ayurvedic company of US. And let me come to our topic. We are handling, me and Dr. Ajay Ghosh will handling the third session of Kriti. And this Kriti session, hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Is it okay?
doctor.
I
Yeah,
think,
it's okay. Your volume is a bit low.
okay, sorry. Is it okay now? Hello?
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay, doctor.
Okay. Thank
Continue.
you.
Okay.
Okay. And let me come to our topic. The Kriti session 3, third will be handled by me and Dr. Ajay Ghosh. And it's all about the medicinal preparation. And we are categorized these into 3 sessions. That's first one, purely herbal preparation. That comes to Vaishya level of medicines. And this next session will be rasa preparations, which include the preparation which having mineral content. And the third session is the new dosage forms, because in nowadays it's we are means according to the patient convenience and palatability issues and all, we are developing or transforming our medicines into new dosage form like the pharmaceutical development. And sorry, and majority of you may completed BMS and run your own clinic, or you may work on other hospitals or clinic. And while consulting your patients, you may prescribe medicines from nearby medical stores or from any well-known Ayurvedic companies or medicines of well-known Ayurvedic companies. Yeah, for sure. There are several companies of Kerala and outside Kerala are preparing very good medicines, which all they followed all the rules which is given by the Drug and Cosmetic Act and GMP. Even though how many of you know, I don't know how many of you know or experienced that the medicine that you prepared itself having a drastic change will make a drastic change compared to the medicine that you procure from any other market or other company. Because even I had experience on my PG days as well as in my clinical experience, Even I had a personal experience because during my PG days, we prepared a Langalyadi Loha, and even I gave to my mom, who's having RA positive and RA factor having 162. And even 40 days of administration of that single Langalyadi Loha, which is prepared by ourselves, which make her RA negative. That's a means beautiful our Ayurveda and our the preparation that made by ourselves, because we can assure the quality of the medicine, and we know from where we prepare the herbal medicines and mineral content, whether they have much quality and all. We can assure all the stages of medicine preparation. And but the factor is many of the doctors, I can say almost 95 to 99% of the doctors were lost, or they lack the confidence for making medicine even they had during the second BMS. And I hope this Kriti session will help you to make confidence for preparing your own medicines. Even just simple kashayas. Many of us know several yogas of several formulation, and they we use that particular sloka only for the therapeutic indication and prasaguna vidya vibhaka of particular yoga, and we never use that particular sloka for preparing that medicine. That's the fashion nowadays followed by all the doctors. But I hope after this session of Kriti, uh, means 99 to 100% of you may have the confidence for preparing your own medicine, and you may have that difference in your clinical practice as well. And I hope if any doubts regarding that, you can ask during that session. You can communicate with us, and we are here for clarifying your doubts and all. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Next session 1 and 2 would be handled by Dr. Hasna, as she is not with us. She has shared us a video. We'll move on to the video. Dr. Jasul, can you please play the video?
Yeah, sure. Just a minute.
Hi doctors, myself Dr. Hasna Shabil, working in my own hospital, Puliyambata Vaidyashala, Wayanad, Kerala. I have completed PG diploma in beauty therapy and diploma in skincare formulation. I have been into specialized cosmetology practice since last 6 years. My husband, Dr. Shabil Ibrahim, also an Ayurvedic physician. We have been running our clinic for more than 10 years. We prepare more than 300 classical and cosmetic products that include Kashaya, Taila, Grida, Churna, and cosmetic product for eye care, skin care, and hair care products. Now I am selling all these items to my patient and doctors. We have associated with Dr. Jasul in his various sessions conducted by Ayurmed. We have given training to more than 500 Ayurveda doctors in this session, and I feel proud that most of the students of this session are successfully preparing various products taught by us. In the forthcoming session, I will be teaching few of our result-oriented Ayurvedic cosmetic product like kajal, lip balm, face pack, hair pack, serum, cream, lotion, toner, scrub, and gel. After completing this session, you may contact me if you need raw material, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime in my WhatsApp number or Telegram. This is my hospital, Puliyambata Vaidyashala, located in Mepadi. We have inpatient facility with a laboratory. Near that, small manufacturing unit also. These are some of the products I make and sending every day to my patient and doctors. These are some of the pictures of our simple manufacturing unit that include Kashaya, Taila, Grida, and skin glow oil, etc. These are the finished products and raw materials of making classical medicine. These are some of the cosmetic products: gel, scrub, lotion, toner, kajal, lip balm, etc. that I will be teaching you. In this whole preparation, I am using medicated grida, kashaya, taila, and different types of extract and essential oil. So, all preparation herbal based cosmetic products. Highlights of the sessions are: in all products, I will give detailed PDF notes with the description of preparation procedure, ingredients, and indications. Separate theory and practical sessions for each product. Doubt clarification may be done through my WhatsApp or Telegram anytime. As I said earlier, raw materials and packaging materials may be supplied at minimal rate and quantity required for you as a beginner. I'm sure after this session, you can prepare all product easily. So join this session, make your own product and market it well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope these are the 4 sessions. That is session 1 and 2. That would be basically on cosmetic preparations. There is already a question regarding whether shampoo preparation would be taught. Of course, shampoo preparation is there. It will be herbal shampoo. Applications would be given.
Yeah, I send you the WhatsApp chat link in the chat box. You can enter in that group and ask the questions. Okay. Thank you for the time being. Yes, Dr. Gauri, you can wind up the session.
Okay, thank you so much. So hope it would be an informative session.
Yeah.
And for more queries, you could always contact Dr. Jasul and WhatsApp in the group. Thank you so much.
Okay.